Most wanted BLF terrorist arrested in Karachi. Pakistan Rangers Sindh and CTD police carried out a joint intelligence-based operation and arrested a most wanted terrorist, Akhtar alias Akko, alias Bengali, from the Layari area of Karachi. The suspect is affiliated with the banned group Baloch Liberation Front BLF and has been involved in several terrorist activities. Akhtar Bengali, a resident of Sargwad Layari, joined BLF in 2019 on the instructions of his close associate Faraz alias Ganj, involved in reconnaissance and video recording of sensitive locations with his accomplice, accused of firing on a vehicle of Chinese nationals near Kemari bus stop Layari on March 9, 2021, entering a Chinese manager Jason and his guard Khalid, involved in planning bomb attacks on journalists Shahid Zahri and Akram Sajid in Hub Chowki using magnetic bombs in October and November 2021. Footage of these incidents was sent to BLF Commander Abdul Rahman alias Adnan alias David. More crucial revelation expected during interrogation. Suspect handed over to CTD for further legal action. Weapons and ammunition recovered from his possession.